Fresh into stock at Guaranteed Motors. This absolutely stunning Nissan Micra N Sport. So we've got the black gloss carbon insert wheels. Certainly come a long way in recent years. It's a very aggressive striking front end, sleek lines. Got the handleless rear doors, making it look like a coupe, so door handles at the top. Half leather with suede seats. Just 8,900 miles on the clock. We've got DAB touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and mirror link, climate control, USB and auxiliary port, push button start, menu controls and cruise control. Even got lane departure warning, folding mirrors, and just look at that suede insert dashboard. Same accents in the rear. Nice size boot. Front and rear sensors. And in absolute mint condition. Full service history. And as you would expect from Guaranteed Motors, we are the RAC approved dealer for Bury St Edmunds. So you get 6 months RAC warranty free of charge, 12 months complimentary breakdown cover, and 82-point RAC approved preparation standard. Call Guaranteed Motors today.